This is what $45 a night can get you in Tirana. So we're back in the capital city. This is a 2-bed, 1-bath apartment. We booked it on Airbnb and check this place out. So there's our entrance. Come in, you've got your washing machine. And this is one of the first places we've stayed that actually has I'm gonna call this a furnace throughout the whole apartment. Shelving up here. So over here is bedroom number 1. It is a queen size bed. It is definitely comfortable. Lots of pillows, lots of blankets. You've got a vanity over here. You could also work from there. Another furnace in here, as well as an air con. Tons and tons and tons of storage. So here we have our balcony. So you've got a clothesline here. And a drying rack over there. And this balcony is huge, absolutely massive. So now we have bedroom number 2. You've got a twin size bed here. And again, tons of storage. Another vanity, a scale if you need it. More heating / air con. It can be both. Look out this window. Look at our views. We see the mountains here. And that's Dry Lake right over there. Not Dry Lake, I'm sorry. That's Grand Park. We're in the Dry Lake area, but that's Grand Park. That is Artificial Lake. And those mountain views. All right, so now the bathroom. You've got the 2-toilet thing. Again, still haven't figured this out quite yet. It does come with some rubber duckies though. A huge, massive, massive shower. Look at all that. You got the dual shower head. And again, you can see the mountains from the window in the shower. Sink. Nice mirror. You also got this heater thing. So this really reminded us in Georgia. We had these everywhere and it was awesome. 1, it provided heat, but 2, if you put your towels on that while you're showering, when you come out of the shower, you have a nice warm towel for you. Here's the water heater. Oh, I forgot to show you this. Huge full-length mirror. This right here is if someone is downstairs, they can buzz you. And so they can talk to you on the phone or you can buzz them in. You've got place to hang your coats or your fanny packs. You're in here. Looks like you're picking your nose.
That's okay.
All right, so first the kitchen. Lots and lots of storage space. Like, I don't know what you would put in all this, but it's a lot. That's a dishwasher, dual sinks, microwave, a coffee maker, a kettle, an oven, which I always look forward to, 4-burner stove, full-size fridge and freezer. And then you have a huge table, enough for 4 people. And then the entertainment system. Okay, that TV looks really small in here. I promise it's not. But, oh, this one. It was a smart TV. It had YouTube and Netflix, and they actually were already signed into an account on Netflix, so that was good. Usually you have to sign into your own, but... Cameo. All right, massive couch. Is it comfortable?
Very comfortable. I slept right there. Nice right
You got another aircon / heater. Thank you. And then look, we got more mountain views again. What? Grand Park's right there. Artificial lakes right there. And then we have balcony number 2, as if number 1 wasn't enough. This one's a bit smaller. You do share it. That's the landlord / the owners are right next door. But it's still a decent sized space. And hello, look at these views. So as you can see, we are in the Dry Lake area. It's just across the street from Grand Park, which is a huge, huge park in the heart of the city that we love. Like, we found it probably on day 2 or 3 here, and it's awesome. It's huge. There's so many things there. There's a 3-mile running track around the lake within the park. There's restaurants there. There's soccer fields there. There's workout equipment there. Like, it's... awesome. So we're just across the street from there. We get to see the mountains here, which always makes me happy. So we like this place so much that we actually asked them if we could stay long term. They came back with it'd be 1,000 euros a month, and we're like, we don't like it that much. That's a bit out of our budget right now, so maybe later. But the only downsides to this place are, one, you're right next door to the owners / the landlords. So you can see you have the shared balcony on the one side, and on the bigger balcony here, one of their windows looks out onto that balcony. So there's not a lot of privacy there. Number 2, the Wi-Fi. So the Wi-Fi speeds were 25 up and 7 down. That download speed's a little slow compared to what we've had throughout the rest of the country so far. And it doesn't quite reach this bedroom back here. It's pretty weak back here. So if you're going to work or use it out in the living room / kitchen, totally fine. If you're going to use it back in the bedrooms, maybe set one of them up as an office space, probably wouldn't recommend that. I love the heating and aircon units. Like, they're in every single room. And that's the one thing that we noticed. Ooh, that lighting's off. There you go. That was a bit different here. We're like, how do people stay warm in the winter if they only have the aircon up on top of the wall? So this was cool to see that there are places that have the furnace throughout the whole house. So it just kind of depends where you're looking for. So as always, like the video, subscribe for more unique travel adventures. Leave me a comment. What do you think about this place? In the next video, we'll be right here in 3, 2, 1.